Okay, so I want to give my reaction to the higher level maths 2025 paper. Um, it was easy. It was good. There was nothing difficult or weird about it. For example, I have paper one here. Everything perfectly standard, and I'm confused on why some people are saying it was difficult or was tough or whatever. It certainly wasn't. Um, I mean, just look at the paper yourself. I know at the time when doing the exam, it might have felt difficult and stressful, sure, but in the cold, hard light of day, it's not. I mean, question one, perfectly standard linear inequality, long division, cubic, derivative of a straightforward function, tangent, straightforward. I mean, this GG tree thing was kind of cute, but apart from that, I mean, derivative chain rule here, another derivative quotient rule or chain rule. This question has come up again recently, so if you were doing recent papers, you were prepared for it. Standard multiplied by the conjugated denominator, a very short trig proof, a standard de Morgan, complete the square. I remember doing that for junior cert maths. Log exponential formulas, perfectly standard. This one just had to sub in a point. This one here, just can you expand? Yes, you can expand. There wasn't any peculiarities. It wasn't like, oh, the x squared coefficient is 10 times the x cubed coefficient. What's the p? This one perhaps a little bit peculiar. And then everything else, that was a very boring sequence and series question. That one there, again, when this came up in the past, students would typically have to differentiate and get the derivative themselves. Whereas this year, they gave you the derivative and you had to solve it after they gave you the answer. They're previously, in a previous paper, surely this would have been another step in the question. Perfectly fine, perfectly standard, nothing out of the ordinary. One or two little kind of cute things, like the GG tree and the induction at the very end. But I mean, nothing that would impact you getting a H1 if you really wanted to, and we're working towards that. A perfectly fine paper. I don't know what people are complaining about.